Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the last puzzle. In the yesterday's newspaper on a Saturday, April the 8th, 2023. It's today the first Easter Sunday, and we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to solve the yesterday edition, the additional yes. We have here already solved the letter Sudoku and the 2-star Sudoku. It's time now for the cipher block. Yes, in Japanese they call it Suguru, but it's just a tectonic with 4 stars. Tectonic with 4 stars, and this will be number 6253. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 16 printed digits. Yeah, 16. Should be an easy one because the hard ones has always 8, 9, or 10 printed digits, and this one has 16. It's indicated with 1 star, so it need to be faster than 50 minutes. Alright, so let's get started. First question is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box is always a 1. This is the single box, always a 1. Okay. Dual boxes. Do we have dual boxes? Yeah, we have here dual box. Contains the 1 and the 2. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those 2 boxes, 1 and 2. Triple boxes. Do we have here in this puzzle triple boxes? No triple boxes here. I see here a quarter box. Here also a quarter box. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. This quarter box, these 2 boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. And these 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. More quarter boxes, no. Then the following strategy is to look for shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. For example, this shape. Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 1 or a 2. 1 or a 2. Okay. So this box has the same name as that box. You have more of these kind of shapes. Here, rotated this one. This box has the same name as that box. More? No. Then the following shape. How about the T shape upside down? Yes, the T shape upside down. Let me draw the T shape here. Yeah. When you see the T shape, remember that this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 3. Alright, it's a 3. So I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here, because these 2 boxes can be 1, okay. So this box has the same name as that box. Alright. But also that box has the same name as this box. Alright. Only one T shape. Then the following shape. How about the Z or the S construction? The Z or the S construction. When you see the Z or the S construction, if you flip this, you will get the Z, or mirror this. Yeah, this box has the same name as that box. So this box has the same name as that box. So in this case, it's a 5 here. Alright. But also, that box has the same name as this box. So that box, let me use the other pencil, has the same name as this box. Okay. Only one S or Z construction. Then the following shape. How about the L shape? We have an L shape upside down. Let me draw this here. The L shape. When you see the L shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. The L shape. Only one L shape, I believe. Yes. Well, then the following shape. How about this shape then? Let me draw this shape here. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Okay, it's a 1. So this box has the same number as that box. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 shapes. Maximum of 6. Not in this puzzle. In this puzzle, we have only 5 of them. Shapes, figures, structures, or constructions that you need to recognize. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes. Well, then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. These two boxes can be 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround the 4, can be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 in this area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. These 3 boxes surround 1, can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this W area shape should be here. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore, that box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. These 2 boxes can be 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 5 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 2, can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 in this L-shaped area should be there. These 2 boxes can be a 5, so the 5 should be there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4, we have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 4 goes and there. Then these 2 boxes can be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah, these 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and 1 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 3, so 1 box left for the 3 in this area should be there. This box can be a 3, so 3 could be here, could be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. Well, I cannot place the 3 here because we have a double 3 there. If I place a 3 here, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place left for the 3 should be there. Now we have 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3. So 2 numbers left in this S construction for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box, should be also 2. 1 box left in this quadra box for number 4. I think this box should be a 5 because can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely a 5. This box can be a 1. This box can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also 1 or a 4. Okay, one of the missing number in this quadra box is number 2. Well, we have a 2 there. So no 2 there. 2 should be there. So this box should be also 1 or 4. We have a pair, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. And this box is connected with that box, should be also 1. I've marked this box with 1 or a 4. We have a 1 here, so this box should be a 4. 1 digit left in this T-shaped area for number 2. These two boxes can be 3, so 1 box left with a 3 in this area. Should be there. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so 1 box left with a 1 in this area. Should be there. These 3 boxes, wow, the 2 can be a 2, so the 2 could be here, could be there. These 2 boxes can be a 4, these 2 boxes can be a 1. That means that this box can be a 1 and this box, this box can be a 1 and this box can be a 4. So 2 boxes left for the 1 and a 4. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it could be 1, can be 2, can be 3, can be 4. Yes, definitely 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 2 goes there, and this box is connected with that box. Should be also 2. 1 box left in this area for number 5. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2. And the 5, 2 to 5, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 3. We have a 3 now, so no 3 there. 3 should be there. Then. This box can be a 5. We have a double 5 there. This box can be a 5. We have a 5 over here. So 1 box left for the 5 in this area. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 4. So the 4 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. The other pair in this area are the numbers 5 and the 3. We have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And a 5 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 2 now. So no 2 there. 2 should be here. And a 4 goes there. This box can be a 2. That box can be 2. So 1 box left with 2 in this W area shape. Should be here. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for numbers 4. And the 5, we have a 5 there. No 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, so 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes can be 1. That box can be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 in this area. Should be there. These 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 in this area. Should be there, and the final 2 numbers in this area for numbers 3 and the 5. 3 and 5, we have a 3 there. No 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Finish in 13 minutes. 13 minutes. Told you earlier, need to be faster than 15 minutes. And we solve it again. And I like this one, yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe and hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the ladder Sudokus. I've also playlists for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the quintuplet, a.k.a. killer Sudoku, all kind of Sudokus, puzzles. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Easter Sunday. We will meet again tomorrow on the 2nd Easter day, Easter Monday. Yeah, we have here Easter Monday. Not in all countries, but here we have the 2nd Easter day. And I've told you earlier, we have no newspaper on this day. So I will solve the rest of the puzzles in the Friday edition. Until then, bye bye for now.